You know, I can. I've been thinking about this because I saw the statement last night. And when I'm who statement. And a room on started by from some of the North American journalists, North African journalists, and some of the guys in South Africa, no more Twitter say, report on say can't free car for just match the replay.
But there is one thing about Moroccans, they are powerful to see. Meaning, so I'm going to control car for the baby because immediately Moroccan Football Federation, Eddie Omo Jim say, or money work for na car boom. No more said there's danger.
Can VAR by force?
But I'm citing on VAR security reasons.
No, the point is VAR by force. Let's look. What's the root of this particular disgrace?
Okay.
Disgrace next starting from infant. Go be aside and air question VAR. And I just send me by. Now, why do you bring it? That is the argument to why do you bring it? But when you are ready, then you bring the VAR. I start to my idea. We always talk about let's learn from them. But can you see idea from what? Making sure it's about effective or society. No? If it won't fit in your society, don't apply it. Because OPR society need the fancy. So when you pick it up, make sure it's about modifying in such a way say about fit to society. Your crew might see and you're ready for VAR or Ghana. It's mean Cassie and Kofa VAR and Black Roma. Because even Bok cry Kwaku Chaba TV so crama ya shampoo and you create me than yourself for. You having issues with it. How much more VAR? It's yen Casse, Uko England, I'm used to VAR, Uko, UEFA Champions League, your Bobo tournament, I can see as a preoccupy, Ghana League and Kofa VAR. No, we have to look at our situation. We are pressing needs and pressing troubles. We are solving. Because over there in Europe, no, solve most of their problems. But Africa, we have so many problems we need to fix. And you can see a Pinocchio introduce VR. And it will be a referee's decision. You only fight the referee decision. See, not suspension mean the referee, but then lead it to this particular disgrace. And the worst of it all, honestly, I said, careful, yes, I'm planning, Champions League never sample neutral venue near Sambo. Tessie, yes, I could pay neutral venue near Sambo Champions League final and the Confederations Cup final. Nagana, Tiana Kofa TP Mazembene, any different club about one ever publicity now one Aquacotina Stadium. Imagine say Asha near the Aquacopim of South Africa. How will attendance be and how will patronage be? Countries no more qualifying, teams no more qualifying. On betting your supporters, on betting your faka, and alpha flight. That particular venue, I think the calf is rushing too much, and if you have people like Nantechi advising Amada, it won't be much of a big issue.
I just want your family saying, Amada saying, he's more than I didn't know so because there is nowhere Nantechi Amada because Yantechi and advisor. Nowhere. No, it is a business
in the course of the program. I'll read some of the comments of Ahmad on how he describes Nantechi. No, I will say, we're argument and debater. I see a chance say Ahmad and advises about Nantechi. He sees him as his God. When you say Nyame, on fancy for after so far, so born a man be a half president. As how far so my ever born doctorate degree or Ghana has it. On focus in Nantechi. End of him. He's a sole advisor. Our tuneful. So calf and idea Ken. We were thinking, say, and from a football bimbo ball fraud, because we are not higher today African football and I'm we saw it to be stagnant, kakra. No diversion, no changes, no improvement. It's near money for football bimbo with them. Because now is higher to a football. What African football also on society. You won't put to be full of corruption. Catastrophs prayer nature. How slot to be awarded to countries ebe host to Afcon na emobo keke. Now even the voting party in Poyemfa Barbontin, because over there in Europe cry no more the Barbontin say we nya 10 votes, we nya 6 votes to crown. There was element of corruption, but Africa cried there. The yan see about near their two that they ma South Africa, they ma Egypt, they ma Morocco. So we are hoping for a change. We wanted fresh air in Bewrem. But King baby Ahmad so by or no so by betray. I think he's a higher to create. He's higher to inquire. So Ken, I think say on the calf issue, you need I see about 2 baby now. You're twice to pay us and fufu be near can Ken, I think we have to congratulate Abante and Cristiano Ronaldo for his performance yesterday. Superb performance by the Portuguese international. So we share senior branch in the sea form at that particular crucial moment. It may turn the tables. Edema Portugal na any cape. I mean, he shows it just not just the club level, but at the national team level. To me, show pass it. And yesterday he was all over the pitch. And yeah, so much of a dominant performance from Cristiano Ronaldo. So better park ni na aboso. No, I carry the team on his shoulder. But at the age of 34, there, you expect a player so the brilliance and experience they be ejuma. And then only idea a brand and enra or the ejuma ma Portugal for no. And now what team baby because at the age of 34, most players can no matter what to or China and also Marco USA, but it's still playing at the highest level. And in such a crucial game, no, the clinical moment you expect a player of status to show up, no live up to the occasion, no making the difference. No, that was exactly what about your friend Cristiano Ronaldo here. In those moments, he deserves a lot of applause, and I think say on that particular angle, I was impressed. Michelle Fiki Kobo say that one touch shot in the penalty yard box of Bosse, and the last goal, Senya Osifa beating a marker. Now with pace, with accuracy, and that particular technique, or Kelly Bono, Edisha Konemono, na Nika pay, and sometimes Otimiko Dakaka in some movement with a Cristiano Ronaldo will go off. But when the stakes are higher, you always rise up to the occasion and show us something new. And then Ken Adiaba also down soon the national team level, how or making impact. So the Portuguese national team the edgy Euros now. Won't cancel the effort of Cristiano Ronaldo on that particular tournament. Euros no team. And in the Nations League, yes, no akwakotiansa kakra Portugal for the manager of Moboma dia. But on Babadu semi-final, they are trying their best to do a host and win. And I can't wait to see the final. Both England and the Dutch, the Hollands, man, I said the Netherlands, and also be a crucial game. I mean, the discussion is all going. Both teams they will qualify to the final, and I believe can be a strong contender. Or wait me stretch the Portuguese. So, leagues ne kwa na yembo league matches are. Na football no the vibe in it never from kakra. The enthusiasm never from kakra because league matches. And the UEFA Champions League, and necessarily good football, a creative, wonderful headlines. Say you could break a transfers, player ben coaches, racing behind signing players. That battle between big clubs to get the key players to beef up their team for the following season. There's our transfer news, and ASL. But Nations League, Calf for no way I am Afcon as a TD said him say Afcon a bear and can I say befe. We shall mother rest ya and the Swababu Bumia. I have a key so much hype away from the Afcon. But there's the Copa America and so yes, how our clubs like Argentina, national teams like Argentina, national team like Brazil, Chile, New York, and so this particular summer there is break of the league, but I think say football loving fans will be served with exciting moments. And Ronaldo has started. You hope to say and so bet me out to us.
Okay. Master, when we be kakra be real be kakra na.
Me were 2 areas am per se.
Okay.
On say Mamincha Mr. for or Philemat Enterprise edu. Ken on say CAF 54 member association or we 54. Into oba FIFA issues ma CAF strong power or share all the continental bodies now. For example, you're also saying the Asians. You're also saying the CONCACAF or North and Central America. You're also saying a host of other countries but Europe. I'm saying Europe or 55. Into a bad decision making, FIFA, Africa, big say in it. Because Africa and Europe, Kabuma, I remember 109 out of the total 211 in all the 5-6 continents. Into ansana decision be a bit taken, and as a better about to my president, and so we have a chunk of the votes from Africa. Because when a chunk of the vote from Africa is going to be very, very difficult. And it's all Kai World Cup not bid now. His Excellency Donald Trump, the United States of America president, now ought to be my African say what one to one man who was all budget grants and they help loan our own few and all these things. So how strong Africa is when it comes to decision making FIFA. And to have various Africans are surveyed on the FIFA board over the years. and at the FIFA level crowd Ghana crowd say yante sika ho ayenya 2 because there was 1 in the early stages or no to me remo pan so yante so eba to that level and who say ba sometimes when a FIFA board of adjudication no and as adjudicator near Ghanaian no sound so ex so a lawyer na or working see over kafa it is a very strong body about decision making but over the years no problem they say our decision is always influenced by the Europeans. But I know so I say, young South Africans, you need to deal with you. I said, the Abroni Becca. It's over her, Sabro Footing eyes or Monkwa, we all move and go. Say, I did you once a bit take critical decision and get who be to me. I but the back was okay, even the Nations Cup, ya king. Or much I say, all the continental competitions are born. They are born 2 years, ye year bit me take it over from the biggest, even after the World Cup, and the bit me the biggest tournament I ever buy near Beban, the African Nations Cup. But you and I know, say, always see care woman, any new woman king, and form. And over the years, Carl signed a lot of sponsorship, but a chunk of the money, and call a recent times, Crown of movie call close to $2-3 million because before Crown winning, it's near Bon Nations Cup now, a pride, a woman say, oh, Mina Maji, and open a net at stake. Now, over the youth football, they've also done very well because currently Africa to me agenda to it over the 17 and the world now. We've done very, very well in it. And this currently as I'm speaking with you, Osha they are Senegal and Mali for a year. I think we are making a headway. The only problem with CAF is corruption. You see, and anytime I'll back kind of now be mine and say, oh, football, there any corruption in it's not true. Corruption in your idea, yes, also say, oh, it's not true. So football, there any corruption in or more corrupt, it's not true. Also, other places in the corruption are working. But the way of more your more it's very difficult to even find and things that you even notice. And no more yet to the detriment of the game. It they make sure that the right thing is done for their game to develop. Because already the talent Africa and the pool of talent they are Europe and how they've all performed in Europe. Now you still don't understand why it's African country to mean semi-final. Or by a club competitions and in a bra. Or even facilities in our countries. It's all due to corruption. Because the Canada can see a bought money a so the rest have to struggle before they get there into where facilities or from where infrastructure Africa or from, and it can't continue like that. It just can't continue like that because whether Africa or Europe or England, I'm a boy. So I don't still understand why I say other continents are making it and we are not making it because of corruption. And also, okay, corruption, I am going for fun to say, I'm grand, but it's a joke issue. It's a very serious issue. It's a young share issue, do I say. See, a double gamer. You perceive fairness a year, Juma. Because in the attendance, only 2 teams, Eddie Jana Parts or Monkoba. Form or more history or more clout or more players, maybe Biano. Baku ya underdog, Baku a favorite. But Emons here, Kobona, the underdog, so on, and now didn't work from Enwinia, you say a upset and answer surprise. But the Nahodi was to know it's very normal. And when said they be a obiso unjinam fifi, not on to be pepe, and a bonus and running a debo. Minus and running a born bepapa as I agro. But I'm running a debo into the sea and you'll be or them running bit to my edgema. The answer because a corruption a widespread, African football, and they say wins a king. It got started with 8 cheating. Yes, started 8 cheating. Yeah, combined the 17 Africa, 4 in Nigeria. Like Chris Santos, that player near for Chris Santos, no Nigerian, you know. Now we all toss or Babe, yes, superstar, you baby or 5. Can Oba Ghana, the likes of Neo Dati Lamtemun, now go through all these processes. At the time, most African player be a young, can he arrest the next 4 or 5 years? Or Babe take the world, no. Not Wabako, Korean or Bonnie Yambo, you know. It will be no Muninaira. And yet, Africa would have made history at the World Cup. It's Oche, most of the European boys here can yet do Mukoya. Yen na ye bo Viden fella money adnesa bi mu nyina na e bi mu bo U20 no ye be we no mu nyina ten e bo at the biggest level o de bisa Pogba mo under 20 where players of France enya wom nafa compare ye de no we himfa e de 8 city no e ye 1 e no de CAF etumi aye ho bibi kakra but who share the ekoya isa hayatu ho de ke ye the corruption charges eto no so ye ye say enye no kwaduru ba bi FIFA kra sideline no e ne buy na domodi free ho. It's Ahmed buy no. Kidanki expect to say nkodi difference e betumi aba. Although mimbu na ten say why ebony ano ye baba you case no. But if these issues are coming out, It is very, very, very difficult to understand exactly where Africa leaders no person on the It's very, very bad. Because as people no, can I say you can't send be fire home so I see it to me as and back Africa for him. And yes, they be an acquaintance say yeah correct. And I will be cry to say yeah correct in this hand. And yes, it's very, very bad. And so motion ne true papa no we disgracing ni papa. Now oh can be. Also you can say chere mo dan for them chere usuba. The moment I make say oh sometimes crow out free so crow can say me free ha. On betumi akere who they are and what they stand for. Into what chere wadan for ani akere usuba. Nya tete betray is ayatu. No the Ahmad and so the buy. And Ahmad buy no. Of course the good thing is that he's trying to bring your friends and your mafufro into the game, which I support say eh. Because this VAR no king. Na yen na yen knew when Africa de beba. Need me so we are bay. Ebi ebe chemani ebe kwa kofa. But quickly no yes no. Continental club competitions the king ye de beba. The king look at can you imagine this one? Ye bought Confederations Cup final. Me share Zamalek. Referee I think Kenyan. Okohwe we ne friend obo whistle no okohwe ye friend say no. A VAR okohwe TV screen no. Me am hwe say ne wa hwe screen na mu say papa obewiem. Wan hwe okogina o ye say o. Oba no dispute wa man sa so aye sa border. Penalty no je crowd VAR ho na so no see park no so. Now to mu say deliver wa he na dwen so okoje penalty. Because of what Esperance came from Esperance could tap on but the J Cup for Africa. It's very, very bad. 80 second one so about Champions League final. The same thing as see. Na kin oni ma dia one. Ya bobo referee cry be no anjini ya what do we do? E so ma results in standing. Na ya check referee na so. But the end so G na team back walk it off no. And na referee signal the championship ma Esperance. Mo kwatena say am say yes abebo final ni biem. No, can you imagine? Can you imagine that? Say final na Esperance ni jina my referee ball whistle say you declare winners in the game no. A referee decision say standing no. You better body game. And Esperance so they about say no. They are not also playing. It will more caucus. It's the question say VAR no cry yes starting season no. Can not any part of the competition. It then come more at this time somebody VAR neighbor. And a VAR one thing people should know is say referee person chitu asolo be chitu. Because the decision is final. And a VAR no, a video assistant referee. The fact that he's an assistant, you only take the ultimate decision. Or no boane referee might take a decision. So if the referee thinks that decision will only clear, you can't do anything about it. It can referee be to me alcohol. But all babeji be from doing anyway. Ain't that corruption that African football king? Papa, any leaders here, you all say, Mranra, the see of France no. Na FIFA say country in the leadership no e won so bi to so no why corruption activities no the bomb be punish no Ghana yo bebre yan fanko one sa commission's report na yete no say you can see the year aduma e be indict a lot of people and the question is that why is the government not interested in that? Because one who are buy or say corruption no about be too corruption at it and what by the previous government na aye aduma e the white paper at all. Na adwuma no why the lawyers omunim deny ne ya implicating for. So why are you not interested in that paper? Enti the essence say why anya wo hwede a enna ma ebi mo so to bi tuatua bribe mo so because so no ye no anya ne hwe ake no obi so kwaya wontumi nya ne hwe. Enti the one problem Africa has king eyekoro nyame boy you because all the other continents they envy Africa because king who read the Bible Africa and the blessed land. In your mind ye wo Africa no continent has it. And na senka Europe for na better na Africa ha king. Any ye kwat na Europe anka e before nyina anka ya hye.
Let us say okay, your friends, but I didn't they say you could do Sunday for Chelsea supporters. Eddie Hazard, a few no more agree.
Yeah,
and the area. And you say Chelsea for Omo Echinchi Madrid for Nsapa. A total deal of a year, £88 million.
That's a lot.
But 88 million pounds, you know, another 50 million
add-ons.
Add-ons on Kwa. And then those add-ons are achievable.
Yeah, he's a good player. He's a
League
good player,
Champions League number of games are operating about Ballon d'Or and those ultimately enter into FIFA top 3. Ningina also a part of the deal. And 88 million pounds is the main fee. Then 50 million. And so I can't And under 50 million, 88, around 32 or 38 or something million.
That's it.
And money I don't so. Until young fantasy. After 7 years, when I called Chelsea, the 32 million a ton.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I'm on 32 million.
And he has won
in
I think 6 trophies with him.
So yes,
Yeah.
2 Premier League titles, 2 UEFA Europa League trophies, and other small trophies count.
Yeah.
Nti DTN. My man, why are there? Marina Grasso, no care, so I know. You're tough negotiator, so you're to Daniel 11. Because I can't
has a level also.
Maybe I can't 1 year contract.
Yeah, of
But
course.
I was here, you know.
Yes.
And Nina, they see 130 million pounds, but so when to me, I achieve without a year. When I 88 million,
and the possibility of that to say higher.
Just when you be
and also your Marco Kobe, the
such as it in 80 or what in 130, which may achieve in 5 years now. Because I am a dream, my dream. Just as being a profit of 100 million.
Of course.
Pounds
After all what you did for
them,
them,
year 2012. And that's it.
the replacement is a bad problem.
And then hazard in your and one. Andy Macodia. Young quay.
Well, that's what be on other number about Amada Mad issues.
Okay.
Marina Grasnokia is a tough negotiator, as he said. Or no Triana, same way, the Ano Ajim Kakran or the Russia Casanarium.
Yes, I'll come Russia.
Or the Russia Casanarium.
Until
Or my Angel Marin Ghanaian. And in football, so when your top team in quote, like the Madrid, the Barcelona, and even if Madrid is a player, that is where Jean-Michel Olamo, another tough negotiator. Daniel Levy, tough negotiator. Who will be the Claudio Lotito, tough negotiator. Who will be the Oleo De Laurentiis. These are people that you cannot pick their players on a silver platter. And so your club, not when you're so big, especially if you are not one of the elites, and that's the cathedrals of the European gamer. Real Madrid phone be teaching one for players, because Fiorentino players in recent times almost said, or then who was negotiating in baby among for into the way I know in the near player, no, and also be in the near the vice president, no one knew what deal. And Ken Tottenham Hotspur, for example, it look of a player from academy, or to me for a player for 50 million pounds, 20 million pounds, and player and a person or what do? You need a tough negotiator, someone who have the negotiation skills. Obi a wa be on negotiating, and what to me the says the Ghana Sabanti. So we have 32 million pounds and getting 88 million euros. You need those people that fall within that standard. Dina me bobo yenim and say what in as players Libya on betting that amount to the amount. Recent times Liverpool are also joining the race. They will be almost a big man and also negotiating for their deals. And I feel say it's a dealer. Chelsea obviously is a winner. Ubetimi I can say Chelsea will lose him. That is true. He's a quality top player. But Ken, without Lampard, Chelsea is still flourishing. Without John Terry, Chelsea is still flourishing. Without Peter Cech, Chelsea is still flourishing. Without the big Jose Mourinho, Chelsea is still flourishing.
There was also more winning trophies.
Yes, indeed. Ken, football there. You only need to get a better replacement. And I say, obetimi asasine kakra, get a good coach. Obetimi are fine with the players around, better materials around them. And I think it's Chelsea. Obetimi asamba back. Hazard aya die bebre dia mom, but Ken with Hazard Chelsea have been in 5th position. They have been in 6th position. Omako trophyless with Hazard. Inti difficult to replace him if you look at the modern game of today. So when you play or that level, that quality, that player with me a changing game within a twinkling of an eye, it's difficult. But Ken, player BN who are between replacing we are saying what Sansa say baby Mukrani replacement. Because when you play on so Asante so on one. It's either or best channel and I say on get closer to him. You see, your baby she has that say on baby or it's a better platform for him to exhibit his talent.
A big one.
Very, very big one. But for you to deliver and so on also betting me pressure there or no betting me a couple with the pressure.
Bigger than Stamford Bridge, eh?
Okay.
Far bigger.
Okay.
Far bigger.
This is a venue. We are seeing now. We are seeing now.
Bridge in the show.
Far. It's not just bigger.
Hey.
Far bigger.
Santiago Bernabeu and Kwane venue. Every big player that have played in that venue, every player from Di Stefano, Zinedine Zidane, Luis Nazario de Lima, Cristiano Ronaldo, Sergio Ramos and the life. every player was see Academy Real Madrid be on a bad day on the who. So they don't care the type of player that you are. When they want to change the face of their team, their top player will be used as a scapegoat.
And I just say it's that a problem because you may have done a time for my year when I reverse transfer but Jovic, Benzema, Hazard. There's out from three and so we say because
Jovic best started from bench.
Look at Jovic, I think so why you reminded that Fiorentino press there are times Okofa player and said because he's 60 million. Madrid and top striker be on the boy inside there. To be very difficult so the map I said in financial changes so what you say Jovic and there big anymore kakra
yeah we can Jovic will be on the bench
yeah we na make say so we won work was
them say be be a
Fiorentino press or top player so Benzema no so what you say and Benzema no fleet to abo am obi on so just striker do it need na ba bia and I say Hazard will become in just say si o ka say Jovic better nchen and I make say ubeti no panyine nyase because €60 million in this ketwa plus add-ons until you find it trend this is be about to me more until be ya adwuma kese ama be fencesida how sa free no me won say Benzema na ayi de betimi amo fences on Hazard almost star no but Jovic no so no you goal scorer ball no to no about so
why is Real Madrid want to offload Gareth? Politically he's not strong a hero free Wales. Okay, those things work in those top class.
Maybe you never marry for offload you here. Never the money there. Oba no na level. Omo boy no na level.
No converse or you.
On no mo person san be here. No place with that. Eh ball no na there. Because you can play one person papa na defending the power.
Bill.
Benzema. On some class who defending. Oba mo abo. On one $60 million for me na change.
Okay.
You never do that.
The American say Benzema is a French international. Marcelo Edini. On one year
Meaning say okay 2002, 2003, 2005. Fiorentino press say Beckham started, Figo started, Zidane started, Luis Nazario de Lima started, Raul started.
And again, those
there were games we are not winning now.
Okay, players are okay.
I can't put my head you defending. So what you say? Enti omo top players or a star player. Somebody that go to play 50 million na bench. You never do that.
Okay, and so
enti dia woman say see papa ne shase. Even say Zidane. No how because Hazard mo Hazard in there. Who Benzema, we Jovic.
Enti we Bill na e be ba out.
But Enti Bill only be done kwai. But sa three we need there.
Hazard ne Benzema left and right. Jovic
you are talking of players with class. Player we omo meto get school and 10,000. Me say you are talking of players that political they are strong everywhere. Do it in okay or 18 for Libya. Are you going to play 4-4-2 with Benzema? Fine. If that is the case, fine. With Hazard on the left, maybe Lucas Vasquez, Gareth Bale, or Vinicius Junior on the right. If that is the case, fine. But you are talking of a Madrid now. Toni Kroos are Emre. Look at Modric Emre. It's those two players. One of the that midfield battle is still to cover those two attacks. And again, what do you see a 50 million job start? Rodrigo is 50 million and I already Rodrigo. Honestly, 50 million. And obviously, again, Karim Benzema is not going to be on the bench. He's a French international.
Benzema has an entire bench. And Jovic is on Makotomi. Yes. I'm not told because of goals. Because I'm going to be goals. And Jovic in Jenny, one mention Benzema has a better more goals for China. So we be Piatron in Quadia. When you bought a Bobby Bray, bonus here, some could follow me on Piatonet. And I make us a German Bay Jama, Zidane. Because I have recommendations.
Okay, Obama did the same.
Very easy for him.
Okay, Obama player of Serbia.
Unless I Gary Bay.
Because they will be sacrificed.
It is a good Gary Bay fitting in their fine.
Yeah, because I know Zidane Bale in any preferred player. It's Bale will be sacrificed.
Zinedine Zidane would manage this. Again, or manage the players are better here for Madrid.
Once at Madrid, you know, Zidane, I told him he had management, but he was lucky. Seriously. Because at that time, I buy never be we don't have a contract. As I say, too bad only thing they say. Into their times, they were very interested in any see. Win. And also a former player. He's a former superstar. So what you say? He very also build the team. What you say? So say, "Bibi, I'm going to be a one or just a player here."
Now,
so Pogba the end I think say Juve na say
Ken Pogba is still at Manchester United team Bianca so
oh me but Juve were interest on Pogba one person to Pogba but omuni sika omode fa Pogba enti na omo person omo ye either Dybala or Douglas Costa na nkomudi sika kakra bi da na nkomudi afana ba but so say Juve bet sacrifice two players no we say sika na omo person omo de you me I will say Douglas Costa no a top player because of injuries obi an mu no Paulo Dybala wo ono so obi an mu no into the sika ka Paulo Dybala ho beje Pogba it depends on the coach in the pay do you know so mo ntwa masare mra
okay Paul Pogba for Juventus apart from Cristiano Ronaldo check the player the last time is top player omo mu ye free for ni bi nko a Emre Can Aaron Ramsey Bless Matuidi omo free adwuma no mo ye nti you hear omo hina Pogba pa because they need a controller in the final third for their team and a player was a border for them. It's only a Pogba or pay. Adding money for any of those players for me, I think that Juve United will get a better deal. So all the 50 million, 40 million, Paulo Dybala and Douglas Costa one. United are winners. But I'm saying that for still with the Madrid issue, Zinedine Zidane, in terms of managerial aspect, what I say he's super. But crafting a system to seal players on the field or play a Juman floor. And that's all Madrid team that one. Cavaya Emre. They've signed Eder Militao. Sergio Ramos is likely to play his last season. Marcelo Emre, Toni Kroos Emre, Luka Modric Emre. So you are bringing in players, and so be our heads, look that boy who is coming to Madrid. On your player, once a case or Benzema, no, let me use over the Vinicius Junior or Hazard. On your players, so about 4-2-3-1, and they can play behind the main striker. So about 4-3-3 they will fit in. So about 4-4-2 they will fit in. But so check Karim Benzema. Obama this is his best season in terms of goals. But still, they feel say he's a player who be a man competition. Even with Alvaro Morata coming from the bench to score 15 goals ahead of Benzema was sold from Madrid to Chelsea. Okay. They need a young boy, one to replace him, two a young boy to compete with him. And again, I feel say understanding him as well. Until I feel say with time, no, Zidane bet me a year bia. Yes, and I say Benzema will start. A couple 20 minutes you come on because again, this is a player. Pressure and better say but when Karim Benzema is not delivering. But if Benzema is delivering and he's scoring the goals, definitely this player will be on the bench because or a player won't mean you know on the wide area in the system of play.
And see, Charles supporters, my teacher, Monjan fan to where I'm from Copay. Someone back up for continue so the number. Well, to continue. Number the Navana. Ghanaian players in a show, time to be a comedia. Is it Patina and Isakoya? And also, we will send a Cardiff City for one team in almost so an opera. Almost so heavy.
Okay, Master, Opare the idea, any Kenyan went to Miamon, or Coboy, Cardiff City.
Oh, Cardiff City, bro.
Okay, the platform. Platform is to tell. What's that?
I hear started charity stars. Superstar. Maybe no 10 years no far. Charity stars. That no buwashi.
When you both professional to be kura.
Yeah, yes, I'm captain team.
Debut. And
Mr. Samin.
Na ye nya de. Because me ma woni pa be bra mo so mo ni bobo.
Give me the ball ni.
Ma wo be bra mo so mo ni bobo yes. Mam go e ball no mo bono. Na mo say ye na ye nya de. Endi so bi bo kakra bi afa no so ya de. We bia. Na na me na Samin man ko. Samin ya fan.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Samin Suarez. Esa pa ni wi.
O ma ka so be play.
Na me na Samin. Me ba Samin ka. I am registered
player o bo Korea.
Second division team work.
Na ke ya so. Na me bo the can be 10 years.
So on your training.
So we na wasa.
Yi mu.
Ba ye na ye nimbo. Yeah, yes. And you can create your so
But Safo de Olibo.
Ni ado ni bobo.
Kimbon.
and as I'm assuming Bobo.
Obeti
I say two ni de oya.
Dem ni po obeti adansi ama ono na ya te.
Ah, nti wan be di
Wan
adansi.
be di adansi ama o de.
That didn't who you have. Who you have some born, no.
I don't know be are.
Me ka se mi bobo more than
Who no be are. Safo de oya de.
King.
Jerry came in.
Ana ono nso ni player ya Tony from Charity Stars with Sikakese pa. Ya team no. The team is it 90 something.
But to free Chroma straight to AS Monaco dear.
Ono na what team ni what baby a bra Bobby wo bia na ni baji. Ono team no. Ne amakwa ne nan no frefre say emra na.
Na o captain.
Na captain no ma 10 de all the go ho a. Wa ya born memo. King, ma me fa me nsem ni ngo na.
Okay.
King. Ha se hwe na Thursday na watch pepe kotoko be free krumu akwa akra. And na watch.
Match on Bobo.
And then I watch it. Kotoko be free krumu akwa akra. Me hwehwe ma my no. Na King. Abranti e friend die wusi Taylor. Adriana Peno. Kotoko Peno. King Grant die o se sa branti no o ma nya na ma na e be ha ne papa. Cause when you say branch anywhere ni mo has Africa no mbeko no. The BI complete. Na do ma hina branch dey we see Taylor no freedom a. Okay. Ana wasoma na hemfu. Ama makọ dey we see Taylor ma be ho. Say branch no opeso bebo Adriana Stars. Enti I like it. Sakotoko. Increase scanner. So na say akwa dane fisam no. One idea we see Taylor. Ebekwa akobo Adriana Stars bobo eku no. Na kotoko so pe Kalara FC player ba ko a friend no Solomon Taylor. Ha no mo san so pe dia we see Taylor no. Na Solomon Taylor ese ni fie no ewa nim kakra. Enti kotoko ya na ye sa branch no munya na o mema ni 2 years contract. But dia we see Taylor ni de o munya na o mema ni 3 years because o a very young chap. Enti King some kakra ye boa no na ye de ato etifo ni kotoko de game no ba wakobo ene na wotwe menya nte so be free krumu a akakopie mu awa akra na on Sunday game no enso etumi abaso ha say resume training ene omo nso eni abriye papa say Sunday anase consider ba na wotwe game uta ekumase asante kotoko no omo ebetumi enya the needed victory na bibia enso etumi aye fine e dey ama haso folk team nti King some kakra awo ho
Okay. But my na Obed bibia bako bi ndie.
Okay.
But CS dental console for more aye town cleaner na omodi aba na yeso bi atimi nya bi. First part you say na e piste two piste na no enwa ye brush na asa na making enwa na ye twitwi attack na so me pa twa nya sanity. What you see, what take money deal na sabi yes pampan cent beba wa numa yo take man and the cent na benti ma race or tank cleaner no so set maker what do we need from a sweet can sauce be abenya biato dental can say be supermarket sorrow and a share shop sorrow in abenya biato another facial dental consult a limited on 0279 a 10 5000 027910 a 5000 what is a yellow and orange pharmacy I'm going to go the malaria so or the tablet in the suspension tablet paying for the Shimunsia for the 3 days and a Benamawi and Maurice and Yan Unqua and I own a suspension a more franadia and orange flavor at the amount of friends or the man attend your venom the part of cranum with no malaria and tentanano no matter go the malaria suspension maybe now I don't tablet and the air come you are carrying bar for sure the part of James Bayanum Nina and so be used to carry bar for so be a wenya kaka or the other so be used to carry bar force yellow and orange pharmacy at Darumako Poku Trading Continental Supermarket sounds for ABC Supermarket. Oh, you know, when you be out on our first room, 024468 9071, 024468 and 9071. Oh, first hour and on Sunday campaign for no. Oh, but that's now the Kakari Bana, and you will know you. Na ye na me yin ko makakra ye ma branch me chance ko makakra sanu no dia ba no so go force o meko
oh ken ko to phone 7 yan fam to and for now the 10% neutral ground. Can I say Champions League no? And found a senior calf from Penny for no yen on the piano. Found it your more yen in an. So could conform Penny for net class. No shall calf confederations can benefit of Munyai. No one say a some with your house of folk momo room, a cushia either Carella or Asgoda, a told you more.
And there's a benefit.
Can I say?
The
Confederations can benefit.
Maybe you should much as a
okay, my.
Can't remember.
Some command because of
Say, she will be on camp, but you should much as a cotoconia for so 5 billion. Maybe she should.
And for so.
I can't almost get a castle more place on
Maybe much as a
kind of
5 billion.
And for so.
I can't say,
I'm my young for so.
I'm repeating it again. Missy, maybe she should much as a Kotoko African or Mobile, Omunya for so 5 billion.
For so.
Yes, 500,000 old currencies in time.
Can me the members of
I know Mamma does support us as so many for so.
Almost all church letter quoted almost.
There be almost supporters in and I'll be out to later command.
Can also be anywhere with you, Jackas, what you did one year scan. What is that? What will be the club profit?
I expected that car, but I'm
Can I have Champions League now? And yet, tier 1. So we win one match and put out losing this game. How about Confederations Cup? See, send your matches and sanity. A win one match, we lose next game. How about drop about Confederations Cup? We need 2 matches at group stage straight. I think we only one say, we'll be a fan over 2 for Beckham Beach. Nobody is saying it's a Kotkoni fight. And a Kotkoni reason to pursue the argument on the NCA. But name would be the NSA. Oh, we need 2 matches at group stages.
I was on a scandal.
On the scandal. As it cannot be a such as 10% when the house for premises. That is 1. 2. Kotko started tier 1. And then I'm buy a coba almost once. Ni 3 papa will break no. Tier 1. And now Kotko boy almost upon 3 echo papa will break. And then I Kotko call me diama. You could see a chita for the bufu your crash and from the 2 crumble bonum. It is a risk I could quite take you what tier 1 in Munafa and Soto. Kotko Cordoma. Kotko Techima. Kotko Brukum, Kubichim, Ebesin Coboise, a Cobo Takwa. Kotko in now, Etna Hombo Resuna. That is the fighter Kotko fight so far, and the sweater Kotko sweaty. The other Kotko and Nimusi say, Sakotko Timibon home on the dear. Or Africa, or we need 2 matches, or group stages of the CAF Champions League. Ah, Sike woman, and such a Hadian.
Yes, I had no credit in Chamo. Which me more, Hannah.
You can be a can you say? And found it how the NC is treating Kotoko. And you can say, Bem. That one should be out, saying Bopa. And your brand of Asoben also. A canna wa boss so far. Sika NC the mouth, and it from training allowance to camping allowance to player salary to winning bonus. No. NC this can bet me at Tesaka, no swana. Debbie. So there's something bigger ahead of Kotoko. I will sabot Miaka if you pursue this particular course. This one is on better. Now some no poor many guso. Now I'm still on beja heart to fuck my hearts. I go straight to the final idea. I told you, man. That is their own cup of tea. And when you say see swa, I'm a sahane sia. I'm a cheat half one in the catcher. Nobody says that my management and then fight it for what they believe is the right of Asante Kotoko. At the end of the day, you guys are cassette, brow bread, and the issue and so well. Man, no, miracle. And then how do the ocean body language now? It was a raho because 1 year. 1 year.
Anyway,
I'm sorry, me, 1 year. I feel back penny. I remember I was in a crap.
seriously.
I'm saying miracle. And I'm seriously speaking. I've made a slow day. Me didn't want to me shirt and you may be a cost one. The future is not bright for Ghana football, and even Kiro Kai said, "I rather penny Kennedy can come." I think let me, yeah, Kennedy. Or but two just every phone penny for a threaten and I'll say, "What in the second and take your best posing?" Yes, Kennedy can come. What did this happen? Sorry, Andy can come. Sorry, Kennedy can come. Might be a different person. Andy can come. Even Andy can come. You write for one of the newspapers. I see if from penny for no news someone threatening Nana. In your question, young come on to just say nobody can touch question entity. You know, Nana be power fire or more administration. Put your park with internet. Not type Nanado fires and Nanado sacks. Na she ni po mu din beba ana na ado yi o me dey say do be me e fe no ken sack oba sack you say here. And some of the reasons behind the sacking of these prominent people no kan na nya asem kese o ye na kwesi na ntachi ono a de betu dwa say one oman panyin ni din obo o tape no ne oman panyin na ndi nkomoda oni ba o mi ndi nkomoda da oni asenso anko be ma no 1 million say eya on ka na ado ndi nkomoda ono a ne bo ni tiri mu po eno kan sa asem ne fa oman panyin no 1 year ba be soon na do share video na no ho put to the extent say order for CID say president touch be obi en fa ne mbra na yentie na no disem CID for no koya ko me president touch fie e ko pair documents ni ade afi ba akwa be so up to date court down kran fa nya touch mfa court ken court down keken po
mo fa mo sem so okay. Because when you are going
Debio, Mr. Court down. And an statement of FIFA for the Abbey. Amad. They are telling all of us, say, so on money the Sikama penny do other football. No one is scanning your money to be national. You can question and take your commission report the two just say, or do winning bonus free GMPC. No, about by on no GB. No, I call the organizer friendly match and no aside.
I and the one you can carry a fabrina and so and Obed no, the Ghana, I was over for fans and that any other. Said before them. So,
who could travel there now? You do 20 years.
But I think it says in the FIFA statement to be clear. Clear. So, I'm paying to match the president to be a person.
Yes.
If you feel say, and never be
corruption, yes, it's true.
Because based on Amad and the FIFA statement, about air clear.
Very clear.
Say a France policy for action. So, among war investigations be. Omo crab free police for now. Sadia be a why ye no. Almost a tis committee bit married. That's why we
okay. Now, where the more equity. A crime on fast band you request in the channel. I bind the commission of inquiry. Known white people and the man who can on the bandit and I'm ready. And I've handed the coin. And then state in Sika. Until the president has decided to overlook the issue of the issue of question and teaching. You can't wait there, because you can repeat it. Ubi organ have been and send a question and teaching a choir, and the ordinary person young for them. We knew it was here. Adriana starts on Muniska on the coffee deal with Taylor, so they shouldn't worry themselves. You don't
there's any boys.
And any boy, they don't have money.
There's any boys.
King, a 200 million comes so Muniska. They don't have
Adriana starts in 20,000.
Me say on Muniska.
I'm not meeting me for
20,000.
Can me see they don't have money. But I tell you a contract who you know. That one on home and side.
Every this is so you panel.
How many father one? 2 months salary go month mean try. I pay no more said try. Skaway. They don't have money. Can you any panel was it? They kind of crank down for me and say na bro. Scanny ho. E bini ho. Say ya okaka dedi. Nti kaka dedi dey enko no ane bright eji.
Okay. Eric and them come on because so most of my questions here on baby son. Eric, but trans Eric ya wo fia any jim come yes Monaco and Usia Kai and so the more wo fia waba. Nti yin mi saba kom you know me and so be team na so and so be our dear. Baby say okay boko there. Oh great. Na France what is saying?
Na mi adu mo bibia boko.
Bibia ko ye.
Mpacho ai.
The one I will see panel.
Mpacho ai.
Na Monaco no yes Monaco na saying. Club no saying.
Club need good. Club need good because my expectation nka minya ne sa. But me ko ye no so me ko do hono. Am say me da so be me ko do ho me ni je ya pa.
Anyama be na ko do ho ya na.
Like na mi ankasa no in sheda entina iro particular sa so mi ko do hono na mi ko hu facilities ni bi mo no na ama mi so ama mi ahu kaka bi ama me nso metumi ade yɛ adwuma
Baby, I'm your training. I say, people be, improper be no my year training. You know, solicit the own pictures and I want to sanity.
yeah sanity am sɛ
Into more find the row. A call, training.
yɛfa bepɔ ne so
Moko fa people no so.
Ah,
Sa pictures na you know.
sanity.
But obi abet me go no about AS Monaco or mo training a center no. Na or church mo because hono training. Mo fa people no so.
yeah yɛfa bepɔ
Mo the flight and the first one as I say.
the car
Mo the car the fa people no so.
mpakyɛ
E kwan da so.
ɛkwan da so mpakyɛ
Na kosi.
ɛkwan da so na ɛkɔsi yɛ center hɔ no ɛkwan ne ntra but yɛwɔ bepɔ no last nyɛ na yɛwɔ last
Mo na mo nti mo bachi obi
yeah
obi na obi.
yɛkyɛ ne sane but down nti ɔno kwan kora nda hɔ
Nti car na nam epepo no so.
mpakyɛ
Nti sa mo tim na mo ko training center wa mo hu form nyina.
yeah wohu like wohu around yeah wohu city no nyinaa
Wo hu Monaco kro ni nyina.
yeah
Enye hu.
have it
Sa
though ɛyɛ hu deɛ like wo kɔ a ɛyɛ hu because ɛkwan no bɛn nsuo no nti sɛ wowɔ top a wohu down
kwan ni ben so.
mpakyɛ
When say obi am ebra go sisi am betimi ewe said omo training center ne city people na obe fam na omo ye ndan na omo timi ya ade ne share form sa.
ɛyɛ wɔn a the way ɔmo esi ayɛ ɛhɔ no especially Monaco kuro na ankasa na da hɔ no koraa style ɔmo ayɛ na ɛyɛ wɔn a
Nsu okuro no mo.
Rich,
Monaco is a rich very rich city. Na team kese say wo call ya wo do ya kra keto ide wo free Ghana ko. Say na dey city.
na ɛyɛ den deɛ but me kudu hɔ no mu no na first training na coach no ka kyerɛ me sɛ menyi biribiara mfiri me mu obviously ɔmo hu me nipa ban ɔmo nim me so menyɛ deɛ mɛtumi ayɛ
Okay.
nti megye di sɛ me nso meyɛ obi a sɛ mewɔ team mu na sɛ me coach ɛtumi ɛka biribi saa kyerɛ me a ɛma meyɛ deɛ mepɛ so coach ne ka saa kyerɛ me because mekɔɔ yɛbɛyɛ 3-4 days deɛ mefa ne sɛ bɛyɛ 1 week deɛ na ayɛ hu kakra wɔ mu because asɛ na ɛsosɛ me so na hu kakra wɔ mu but I don't know but I'm say coach no hu say metumi ayɛ so yɛpɔn training na ɔfrɛ me na ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ we ɔmo nim me so I should do what I do yeah menya de metumi ayɛ nti megye sɛ I'm saying the following day ɛna president no ɔhwɛ academy no so ɔno so frɛ me sɛ like me good ɛna ɔno so kyerɛ me nneɛma bi a
Yes, sorry.
ɛwɔ sɛ menyɛ nti megye de sɛ saa advice no ɔmode maa me for the beginning boa me ama me sesie memfa no sɛ metwa 1 year metumi
We said we be any be.
akyɛ wan
But about who call you know Leonardo Jardim on the first team then okay Tion Ray mobile. Tion Ray no not to say.
okay memfa no sɛ mene ne training bɛyɛ 2 weeks deɛ but
Only the training be 2 weeks.
akyɛ
Or no na training.
wan I said second team no every week biara yɛne first team yɛ training
Okay.
for some I'm say every week biara yɛne ɔmo yɛ training 2 times
Nti who say Tion Ray na usa o hwe no TV so no on the gina ho na it say.
Now, who need it? Very ocean idea.
me hu no paa
Okay.
like me hu na yɛ manager like especially like senior players ni bi mu kra player bi te sɛ Falcao Jason Rene Lopez
Okay.
Fabregas like me hu ɔmo a manager pa sometimes yɛ training kra me to me show ɔmo
Ultimate show mo kakra.
me to me show ɔmo
Fabregas what to say?
oh ɔyɛ simple guy ɔte sɛ yɛn a
On you be
yɛ ɔnyɛ obiara like odi agorɔ ɔpɛrɛ off
Okay. On crano on mu diagro.
yeah paa
Falcao mo e.
ɔmo nyinaa Falcao particularly ohun baabi obɛhu bi a otumi hyia me okurum kura na wabɔ abɛn they are very good people seriously.
Oh great. baby akwana do no
Yeah, sure.
Erica here and any din komo no omo baby a wadu ne baby okeka ne dia ano ehye na ade ba ko a emu wane se da bia ye tena Ghana na ye kan we na top players you do baby and emu enti dem omo about agency Erica here ayi na de ne call Audio Mendes super agent inti on Cristiano Ronaldo Jose Mourinho James Rodriguez and James Mo Falcao mo na with the same agency you know ntia Nike so a supply and nema I want something to say first of all Nike for no omo your sponsorship no yet to say so a young player
many omo 4 years contract many omo 4 years contract
Nike okay
see I feel I'm say 1.5
oh okay inti the omo de ma no ye den
omo mama me share se me share ataria na ye omo design and mean to me share ataria bi ati say Adidas and I say other companies like mean to me share and mpaboa and taria boot like me can say bibia
omo supply me
bibia
nti say waba kromai untimi nko share different bibia amfa na nko omo be final
mpacha
nti sisi ai se me mama mayem design e do kroma na enu abrochire ho mu no enu Nike ni Adidas mo na me se sha eno sha on be how
minimum obi a like omo ma yeti a say like omo obi a omo monitor sanya man so
Yeah, you can do it.
yeah say bia me to me a say me de minim say bia
what about Africa
but who nim say obi twa na say bibi say
our contract no
mpacha
To me, share competitor.
to me share they are to me a say bia jeans
Yeah.
and I say some paboa ya bia
she ni bia obi a design yi bia nko no okay enti your time bia ukoyi nema na omo de nema na brew na wa na ukoyi
see akra say ope bibi a and I say ubi wa account omo like omo create account e wo mo company no am nti wo code wo bibi a wo hia bibi wo da ya omo de beba
nti wo sisi a wo tie sisi ai o da bibi bia sisi a Nike for the bro sisi a great Erica here Ediano no ye ni gusu di nkomo nka krakra Monaco Monaco nkomo no oboye no na Monaco mo ko ye no wo tete players be brain afa ho Mbappe mo wo de enso wo ko ye na udu ye na Mbappe so ye den ko PSG no enye ono nko James mo James mo omo nyina ba ho academy ho no mo ko a sa players no to say Mbappe mo no de na se the city ho
academy ho na me say se na wo ka se Mbappe mo ni ade ya omo nyina ye say ho no mo ni ye Mbappe say de ye say no sakra o mo be 2 years and I started say oh boy yes Monaco
Kromo ana note
mpacho an ntem say me kodu ya no so de omo kan no ho nsem bebre
omo ka kire o
mpacho an
se Mbappe wo ha
mpacho an me ko ye de me hu ne ba ko pe em say oba visiting o fie o Monaco
ti oba momo ho
mpacho
academy ho oba kan de na kire mo
o la oba obetu yen fo senior de ono no be fam wo Monaco ho no I found like afutu ti say ahobrase discipline sanya man like ono so ono ye be share oba ye na ye wo break ye wo 10 days break bi de na pressing be ekofi bata man ko be bia nti me stay nti oba ye
obeto wo ne di nkomo kakra wo ti me ka French na kakra
me ana mo mo ka meti but ye de se me ka
ba no wo ti me di nkomo kakra
ono otebrofo
nti wo ka de na kire
o say and I me coin so nipa bebre like omo de me compare Mbappe no
o sa
mpacho
e wo ti no
mpacho
omo so wo ti say o ya Mbappe no oh great
yeah in terms say ono so o ma me jesi kra like we to me for say ono no oba ye no oba Monaco no sometimes we be fa difficult do e wo ye Euro but won konya no
say
no o chere me how our club no is treaty players no how our players no to be behavior outside. Children say like maybe oh high and young cock. Yeah.
Or a big guy with France, eh?
Oh yeah. Or a big guy here.
Big guy. Mbappe. Who want to hear the television so or a 10 says so sit here.
On shutdown so much.
Oh sir. The same mobile baby sir.
What body but yes sir.
As we in a sir I won't be. Didn't Momodo to Mbappe or call your friend Mbappe.
Like similarities, no. Studying Mbappe ball game, how swift or yeah.
I said we see ball and I almost want to say
no. And I make call so I said, let me trust waiting.
I know you tin in.
Yeah. I said no, I'm gonna compare. Be bring up to now from Mbappe.
Oh Monaco.
Yeah.
But I want football club I'm up youth and man cry chances. So the city or call you know who said a team you don't want to be your first team.
Yeah, sanity. Me did say I say we a young player to say me type you see. And you say boys no more both team no for by 3-4 years no. Bebre na if so share ya Champions League no cry time and man koye man no cry they are still using the youth.
Now cry be
16 years 17 years so sa na man na me hu say Monaco no we youth na wo ho no ma chance because me koye boy ba consumer boy ba kwa ye no many ni nyina abo o ma to no cry ma AC Milan
Coming
yeah na same yeah so Monaco dey sa na me hu say youth ni dey say we put little effort there we bet me room.
Okay, who got powerful agent Ogio Mendes and Ronaldo may now the same agency at the time I'll bow no I'm on phone say agent no or who so agent and send an city or
and also who say and also mommy platform for flow because and also Emma respect kakra eba my brabum
who say we under Ogio Mendes
yeah because so we share a one no say me can say Europe agent so ekasa
agent wrong
yeah agent kasa say agent one so we agent in GD agent and follow teams akase ni sa akwanya no connections for certain teams and also
obre
to me did say oh because
na Mr Mendes we share
oh several times
nti oba wa o share no ofrel mo ko transit onu di nkomo ben
oh to ono de bia o to me for say me mia me ho a o ho ma me
o ka Ronaldo asensho
me share ye me nyen nyina share Ronaldo
sir
yeah
mo ko share Ronaldo
Madrid
oni Ogio Mendes na call na mo ko share Ronaldo o Madrid
yeah
to Ronaldo to say now to say
yeah me Ronaldo Marcelo and Toni Kroos
yeah to say we do on only on mono
na like na my speechless because do me dreamy
on one Ogio Mendes no so on sana mo kokru mo
yeah me ni na ya de ne car na ekoye ya ka flight kra because na me koda ni nchen Portugal nti ade chin ya no na ya ko Spain
nti omo duru ho na Ronaldo ni Marcelo ni na ti say
na ya me wanwa because me dream ye se me pese me hu Ronaldo
mo ko ni fia na se wo bu sham hotel
ya ko hotel ye wie na ya ko ni fie
but the fia or Madrid ko
yeah
if you need to say
me ka kra bia
Robo dia. O ka de robo anta de. Mo na
agura ona ohun ni
serious
ohun ni
kasa mi ko hu fie on kra na
kasa guru Ronaldo fia
na ano no kra na mama ye confused
that's some motivating that's good so no city or you be a ono so yet say o ben no ono so no di nkomo to say
yeah or you simple
Cristiano Ronaldo
yeah or you very simple and or kasanswa or kasa with boldness yeah
or kasa with or kasane boso
yeah
as all cancer monstro.
Yeah, on slow.
Maybe I could do no. Maybe I can't could do any and go for your bomb with this is no Mendes money, you know. Say, maybe Uber won't go for.
Last of all, being share Ronaldo.
Oh, shall I?
On any more.
Uber want to say your number, but say Uber access to no. It's more easy because they almost security system, let's say. Because Ronaldo, Quan Ben, or first one with me, I been.
Yeah, very, very tight. And any baby are no more.
Okay.
Yeah, won't say rough no. Men can say, I want to say, Africans, no. To say, men can say, as a moja bar. The way I say, security and protect, yeah, almost basic behavior, no. Rough from a moment, sir. Almost big genetry.
Okay, I'm bet almost your mama. Okay.
So, unless say, yeah, baby to say, club and I say, stadium.
And I'll be young.
Yeah, baby son will be who say.
But if you won't even call them.
No. If you're not crowd like won't to your picture.
Feel cranting in your picture. Security is in the camera. Okay. Eric, yeah. Okay. Eric, with Sani Pawing in our Hogio Mendes, Uni Marcelo, Uni Ronaldo, we didn't come off Fabregas, where's Mbappe 1-on-1. And the way I was starting and now she goes to the youth team no. You got to a taboo pride, I can recover back. And some she goes to the brave. Say team no junior team no youth team no progression no say sana almost similar team no.
Saying the me call you in the beginning na mommy. But I'm say me ball youth side me say under 19 no. Me ball my first match, me call you second match. And so call you sabat. Na and yes you know. Do na me fight it. But na some say me fight anti me do any more na like my embrace. Na my assist but beginning me boy 4 or 5 matches na me share go. But do by me 6 match ekono. And the na match me bo bia man share cry na me 1-2 1-2.
Oh, okay. Position be no more about. Wo boba bia wa ya ope.
But almost to me bomb 11. Almost to me bomb 7. Almost to me bomb 9. Almost to me bomb 10. Anywhere they almost to me bomb baby.
There's a lot of African players who almost 15 for African players now.
African players are here. Me senior side now, me pass second team in the youth side now. And say African players are here. 3.
Only 3?
No, 4.
Where 4 pay?
Yeah. One Malian guy.
Mali.
You're ball World Cup after. Yeah, Mali. Or my friend Salam.
Salam, okay.
Yeah, Abdul Salam. And one defender from Cote d'Ivoire. But on the contract I ended this season. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And you Live Foster from South Africa.
And also count.
Yeah, any African players.
Only African players. So what can you
be more free save and
other countries in France and countries. Oh, okay. So almost one Ghanaian players, Ghana for young players, you know, because they say when I Ghanaian or represented Omayano, Monaco. It's a big football club. So almost one Ghanaians. Because Ghana for Ghana ni be your story be all.
Yeah.
You were Ghanaian player be our history all.
Yeah.
Why?
One Ghanaian player. I think c'est lui free.
So almost about Kumo.
Okay. But almost went to me.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Free one.
Into that confidence now when you're with that big agency, baby, I want any power show no. Send a plan what target in the situation so percent by next season no because season we dey twam next season no o person him fan o person do
next season no me person they say my boy youth side na we
okay
yeah see no next season no me bomb pie say and I make call any so me share nya opportunity our second team no papa though sometimes me bo
second team no so na we remain our first team oh okay
do me call your man and me ye training bibia but do matches say
no mama akobo e dey na way okay
so me bomb pie say no next year best start another season no me target ni say me second team na me to me every first team.
Who second team man na boy UEFA Champions Youth League ni bi no.
Dabi and the U19 kra what me bo.
And 19 no. And the 19 no kra mo team bo bi.
Omo the fra who senior side senior team no first team no be to me bo second team to me bo U19 to me bo even under 17 no kra mo di ba
Mo team bi bo okay. Into target na second team no. Na fi the chances will be first team no. You know, Leonardo Jardim, what is saying, we shall not also pen cry.
Papa.
Coaching the pen cry.
First day, I mean, coaching them in the pen, I said, though not mean sign, but first day, I committee, many judgments now, a committee, any Fakao, you committee, no, now.
Fakao, there are more quiet, more sign contract, Fakao, Kobe.
But I may Mendes, any Jardim. President and any Fakao.
Now Fakao could be as a saying as a day.
I'm say beginning no ni when I'm saying but you quiet and you could like I say you committee omo.
Okay.
And omo de me tre Fakao me daddy me say like
okay.
New
Yeah, sure.
And Fakao also more agency no. Very powerful agency. Mr. Mendes, the agency, no, we had in our room because you perceive we bring in Ghana for being young by because I want in the crown of football. No, some of Monsieur Moy city.
I'm say when they say, oh, say me bought charity starts in a meeting, Ghana.
Okay.
And through charity, so me who Mishia Mendes. Because
Ghanaian players be brave, more blasters, national team no crap opportunity. So being a Mendes more. Untuko who
charity war agency be more Portugal.
Oh, okay.
Your friend, almost back de Antonio, and about de Hugo, and about de Graham.
Okay.
So these two people now, I'm say almost Ben Mendes. So there was a time me call agency no Portugal. And about I can't say the quick share nipa see.
Mr. Mendes, okay.
Yeah, because I'm say no more decide they say omo de me be man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nti never san you could share. Nti you could share no. Enemy see you na other charity no nyina na
you could share Portugal.
You could share Portugal. Nti you could share na me say no more de my national videos to be here.
Man,
no you gina hokra nti omo de kire na like ono so de pay ma say min kan sa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nti beginning of Kasen called the call England. The Baba Kwan, the first player or share no. See no or your way or the team be qualify a back Premier England.
Oh, okay.
Until friend no.
I don't know Espirito Santo.
No, you goalkeeper.
They be only your goalkeeper. Okay, they're different because rules for coaching is on in Accra.
So eba sa no say or friend no. And I'll catch and so the me baba. Until almost she said, "They to cry at the bay away." Until the next day, no sending agent back message said, Monaco president, no, a friend is on a new meeting, so maybe, yeah. So you could share Monaco president in
Oh, Monaco,
Derby,
oh, Portugal,
Mendes here. Until you did here.
Was that the deal?
Thierry and them say all the two in him. And I'm also catching say, oh my arms on a video. Thierry and on my data, I find Monaco made and messing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm say date in the song, you call before the date. Until you call any dimini Fakao Kushia. I like you didn't come on. You the next day, and I sign it.
When I say young player, be a OT, Eric, a year, I had to say, hey, that Ben was made it. Maybe maybe Eric, a year, and Master, your point, and I said, Matty, as a Sunday, so we did chat.
Maybe only
Maybe a word do not.
Yeah, sure.
Any level now, word do not say. Argument if you know call no argument as a son and son of Ronaldo feels Spain na play away. Let's just say
it's good, but we are the SO yes or Baby Cup Ghana national team. They are there that Ghana for Akuma. So it say, oh bumper your baby, I mean your target, and then yet beyond you. A nipa and ability Ghana Cup, and the level now all come. Me assure saying I go pop before so I Cup into many like what should the idea of so again the ambassador me want to say, okay now like from Ghana or French or English. Or how medium of instruction, they are use English and I say French beginning how difficult was it, and so far how far what you I get you over with that.
Me call it not a day because omon can brofu.
Yes, right.
Yeah. Yeah, no can brofu. Yeah. Coach no cry na me expect sanko bet me about no cry on tissue. I'm say beginning the na me bre. Okay. Yeah, beginning na me bre pa. So me call it be 3 months and omo fa teacher mama.
Okay.
Tiano no one the tria, I fed with UK, what the idea or the Yabas is say, Omo UK no, there be almost say, Radmer Falcao is king of Monaco, and you know, Cressa or a king of Monaco.
Yeah, he is.
Or a king of Monaco.
Yeah.
Omo is saying, Krumo or Omo is saying,
in uniform because.
Oh, Krumo.
Yeah, he's done a lot for
I want to say, when I Falcao, and Nama, and say,
one thing is, Monaco, you Krubia. They don't care. I never quite like a yano.
Silver Sports.
Bunipa, not like say respecting the partner, but yeah, because Bia whisker.
Yes, Kafuku.
Yes,
very rich.
So Krana, who are showing no union. I'm say, me call be 1 week, me pay, me call baby I like I am ni pano or for casino.
Okay.
Yeah, me do one like me do one me try me say no, and then me say fakao na mo. Ah, na I see now can say, fakao one of nipa we mu no like obia yi ni sa.
Asas ka phone call no.
Me come to say Ghana na o fakao na ma na o bet me afa.
Ka show mo quick brand team after all.
Great, okay. Andy, well yeah na yeah sorry na. That's the time no.
I am the last question. Last question. On say hanon chemoni e mo. How do you cope with 3 4 minutes out of now? Because mostly a shame of nothing with you so. Almost almost trash and almost jam no more pressing, but still I could sit to me first level. How do you cope with that training regiment?
Almost training now. By waiting to Nabia.
No more 11 against 11.
Cry.
And as well, I can say we know we're not just attention match.
So what the Lebanon wants to come to? We are
just Thursday to see you're training your boy abati. Your boy we know na like finishing na your coffee. I'm training the nyati.
Sir, more than the cabin coffee.
Just
how many times a day?
Like one.
Just one. Yes.
Just one.
So how more complaints
Tuesday spend yeah. Mama you train ya no panoma. Ni area no ya project some COVID.
Every year.
So okay,
there will be some question. Yeah,
so yeah, hi one. But you will say chibi.
Some okay, why
okay. But who's a chibi than me? Yeah, so just watch it. Into freedom if you help here once a song. Now, so you for Sebi. Only who moves over here, and then come back as you. I said, Boots, only your and if you are not branching better now. Next more naturalizing at the NDA. So, Becaya. Or Koyanum Koyan, you be due or Mompay. Sadia Bim Sunia said to Sabran to Binton. You need manual. One moment to be young, and Ropono, a trick. Only a trick is it. I have trick. I'm before man, yet you want to shout what you said. Mr. Wa, a moment for I want to show. I dear one is one. But no one is you will fear a brandy better.
wodi gonia kola bi ba ha ye ka so ye boy akoko ya na okoyi ni nase atwede e ma ni sei asimo onya no mpa ya ni
ya na wuti ya wuti shomoko ya wuti ati shomoko inga
Uya kutukunyo. Uso botu kotoko.
Ba doze.
Uso botu kotoko.
Na me yakotoko. Me yakotoko fan.
Uya kotoko fan. Because the team nenyo. Oh, na Eric, what you know Jose if the team go home?
Oh, ebe ba se team ni.
Ebe ba. Tambe. Obo. Ekopom. Felisa nine. Blaster. Omumu di omunye.
Ya de besia. Na dia na ben so baba. Nti wo ni pa ba ko me be mpain phobia. Ba obechi o ma na fa we ni si.
Mse. Michia mi manager Zaka. Zaka se on koma no ane na top K.
Na top K.
Yeah, michia mu ni na me do mo ase. Se me ba en so mo aje metata. Ma de me pe bia so mo ya ma me. Nchia ka se ku so koma me boss ba ko brother Simon. Enemy CEO of Charity Stars. Nchia ka se koma sa man we because enyo no a anka me nim baby amewo.
Okay.
Dana sepa anem boy odi abo me. Na me sign da me fans nyina ase. Ai wo kuma ase nyina me do bibiara ase. E da me bra mu nyina ase.
Okay. Nana Petro. Eric ya ya mana mo kroma ne bia. Na we say we tell interview ni bi. I was saying the agent, the Hockey Mendes.
That's right.
Coach Cristiano Ronaldo feel. I want to say Nana Petro feel up. I bet you was
Como say?
Como say?
Hey, gas oh bia na we.
Lanos. Papa so tell me o.
Oh, no we o ka di gege. E je wo ya ben kaka.
Hey. Jai. Na bro be na o.
Oh, na bro ka kra mi na o. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Tomo.
Mimuno.
No
Congratulations.
Make a West 3. Emiana 2. Congregation.
Yes.
And congratulations.
Congregation.
Congregation.
Yes. Dana mum de yana me tunso amasori o. Me kana manotia utimi unintendem.
Congregation.
Congregation.
Na ne bono na aya asem na ti ase ne.
Me ya me kana me bro the intonation no. Na diana una ukorati me mani aji o.
Na me say ne bono aya asem na ne mu no.
Oh, ni timu dey simple cra.
We are sure.
Oh, we simple cra.
Congregation. Wuni ma de cro.
Oh, mi ma de cro.
Congregation.
Who say con ye dey. Ati u kana dey.
Congregation is just.
Abro tete.